Hey guys, how you doing? This is my second video, and I'm doing bridge. It's called Bridge and Bridge Constructor. It's free. I'm on my tablet playing this. So let's go play. This is starting from the very beginning. The island nation of Kamantuka was struck by an earthquake which destroyed the bridges on every island. Helped the citizens of Kamantuka to rebuild their bridges. Okay. Westlands, loading, build. So basically the aim of the game is to use wood and build a bridge. Construct a bridge between the two ends of the street using the materials on hand. Keep an eye on your budget. Okay, so budget is at the top. Starting from a white anchor point, you can draw construction elements on your construction plane with your finger. Use this undo button or double tap on the element to remove it. Nice to know. Every bridge needs to be tested in simulation mode. Play button. If cars can cross the bridge, then you've passed the test. Trucks get you an extra bonus. Slide your finger from the left or right border inwards. Access the fold out menu. So I guess we need to do this. Triangles. Play, and I'm going to let's use the big truck. Wait, no, we don't have that. The truck. 2 trucks are going to go across this. I might get extra points for this one. Make it to the finish line. Go on. You know you want to. Yes. How many points? Pro truck. 7,200 points. Next. Don't play that. Build. You can also change bridges you've built. Hold your finger on a white giant until the blue arrows light up. You can then drag the giant to a new position. Now move the existing components that they fit in the lines of building missing pieces. Oh. Can extend it like that. Nah. This is actually... How do we do this one? Can we undo everything? Okay, we can undo all this. Put it across like that. Hopefully this will allow me to do all this. Let's go. Come on. Hopefully I don't go over the budget. 500 budget left. Yes, I just got in. The truck might be able to go over this. Oh no, don't tell me 2 of them are going over at once. Oh my god, I survived. I actually survived. It actually survived. Literally. I'm after getting 2 pro trucks. Oh, guys. I'm after pressing on to buy it. No, I don't want to download it. Oh no, everything went wrong. Bridge. Build. Next one. I think we're going to do up to about... After this one, I think we're going to have to end the video. Triangles are stable. Okay. So we're going to... For this one, we're going to go like that. I'm going to go like that. Like this. So triangle. You gave me the tip, triangles are stable. So probably use triangles. Get over the budget. This might survive, but wait. The cars are gonna go over it. The trucks could have, but I'm just like... Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the trucks instead. Yeah, I'm gonna get bonus points for this. We got another project middle. Right, it's the last bridge. On to the next one. Oh no. Like that. No, it's gonna break. Cars might be able to go over. Please. Please. No, 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 no. Okay. What do we need to do with this? It's actually a hard one. Definitely the hardest so far. No. What's wrong with this? Something wrong with this, I don't know what. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah, I'm almost done. It's just, and I see this.
I have like a great lighting because I'm taking it by the window.
Seconds. This might survive. Come on, please. Just get me past this level. I don't really care that I'm not using trucks. Come on. Go on. Yes! We did it. We did it. We did it. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video of bridge constructor. I will see you in the next one. Bye.